So I decided to cut my hair kasi subang haba at ang bigat na niya. So I wanted to do it on my own. So DIY ako. Sayang sad ang 100 pesos just only for to go for a parlor, diba? Isubay mongita karon og piso, diba? So di ka pa kapoy, maka-save pa ka, makamao pa jud ka. So that's the advantage of doing your own. And of course, marami kang matutunan sa sarili and you can be more resourceful from your own, diba? The more you know yourself, the more you love yourself. Ano daw? Basta yun na yun mga ka-wonders. Explore and discover. Discover and explore di ay. Inana din na siya. Kasi not all the times, there's always someone you can lean and rely on. At the end of the day, sarili mo pa rin ang maaasahan at mapagkatiwalaan. So, dapat you can stand on your own. So, magandang result mga ka-wonders.
Wow.
I like my new haircut style. Kasi gusto ko yung mga layers, no? So, kaso nahabaan pa ko, so inulit ko ulit yung buo na yung cutting. So, you see the result? Wow! I like it mga ka-wonders.
Wow!
So,
Wow!
kayo po dyan medyo naguluhan na din sa buhok nyo. You can do it as I did in my hair. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!
Artlist.io